In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with videos online. If you're new to this channel, I'm Jay Roberts. Welcome. This is my channel, Make Money with Video. I show you how to make money with different video apps, and I upload to different social medias. And if you're new here, please come and check out some of these. I'm only a small channel. Any help, any support is much appreciated. Now, let's get into this, guys. This is a channel it does reviews. It's called ReviewTube, and then according to Social Blade, it's making 241 to 3.9 thousand per month. And also, guys, is they're just putting like images in the back. Well, they're making a few videos, but it's like stock video, and I'm going to show you how to make these and how easy it is, guys. So they're just doing like product about furniture and best soundbar. Yeah, so they're making reviews of everything, guys. Yeah. Now another channel what's doing the similar kind of stuff, and there's loads of them. It's called Reviews. Yeah, and they're making between 88 and 1.4 thousand per month, and they're doing like top five best roof prisms, top 5 best high power telescopes, high power binoculars, etc., guys. And they're doing all sorts of different top 5s. But in the description, they have links to all these different products. Yeah, same with all these other review channels. They have links, and if people click on those links, they get paid a commission for affiliate marketing. Yeah, I'm going to show you and explain a bit more. Now, you can also come over to TikTok and do the exact same. And if you look on, I've just typed in toys, for example. Yeah, and look, they're just showing toys. Yeah, and it links back to their website. I know you've not got a website. You don't need a website. You just link back to wherever you're like showing them. Look, they're just showing. They're not even in the video. They're just showing the toys. Now, I'm going to show you a way how you can make these dead easy and simple, guys. Yeah, another one. Dead simple. Now, what you do, come over to Amazon, yeah, or any toy store you want to make money from. See, I'm an affiliate for here. So if I make a video of this and promote this toy, yeah, and someone clicks on it from one of my videos, I make a commission, guys. Yeah, and I'm going to show you now. The product we're going to use is called Vidnami, guys, and you can make these different size videos, yeah, and you've got lots of different templates. But for today's video, we're going to make a YouTube video, but then I'm going to transfer it into a TikTok video, yeah. So you can, and it's going to be simple, yeah. So we'll just choose landscape, and I like, see, you've got all these different ones with different things, but I like these ones where it's clear. So we'll just pick this one for now. Pick yellow, yeah. And all you do is write in, you copy and paste your script. So you come over here, yeah. I'm just gonna copy that, paste it there, space, come back, and then you just get a bit more text, you know, a bit of a description for them. So when people are reading it, yeah. And I'll just break it up a little bit so it's easier for people to understand it more, yeah. We'll get some more, and then for the sake of this video, we'll just speed it up a bit. Now, the good thing about Vidnami is it's integrated with an app that you can get lots of different like images and videos and that. Whereas if you go to the app, I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, we'll just do it from there. This is just stuff basically, so it's easy for them to read, yeah. And then what I do, call to action, yeah. So I'll say like something like click the link in the so I just put a click to action and click call to action. So that what you do, guys, is you put in a bit of scripts, yeah. Press create scenes, and it does it automatically for you, guys. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to speak on camera. This basically now it'll drag the video. it drags it here. So you can come over here, you've got your clips, you've got your images, you can upload your own, you can search for more. It gives you a few different keywords that you can play and you can try. So if you didn't want this video, you can just go, I don't know, robot, yeah, and I'll bring up lots of different videos, yeah. Like I said, if you don't want that, if you want to upload your own, you can do. So what I'm going to do, guys, I've downloaded, go to downloads. I'm not sure where they are, guys. Just give me a minute. I have downloaded some images already, guys, but for some reason it's not showing. So for the sake of this video, let's just use what's on the screen here. So yeah, we'll click on this robot, yeah, and then you come down and you look through it and you think, oh, if you don't like this video, you can always come back and choose a different one. Yeah, you can move the text across the screen if you don't want it there. If you just want images, you can look for, I don't know, whatever you want to look for, robot, call it. Yeah, just click on the image there. And you just go through it, guys, until you're happy with it. And all you do, you go through it all, you tweak it, put whichever images. You click on this, and you can either have no voice and music only. You can have auto voice, record your own track. But if you don't want to speak on it, it's fine, guys. Just use the automatic one. Look, there's lots of different ones here from USA, United Kingdom, Australia, different people. I like Kerry and Kate from the United Kingdom, so I'm just going to use Kate for this one. You can listen to a sample. Or it's saying not available, but play it anyway. And this is it, guys. It uses story blocks, yeah. The music from story blocks. It uses the images and the videos from story blocks. If you was to go over to story blocks and let's just have a look at story blocks, yeah. And pricing, yeah. So if you come to story blocks, look, so got it. The unlimited all access pass is it's the most popular one, and it's £29, £29 a month, guys. Yeah, and you have to pay this a monthly. So all the other plans, so you got like £16 a month, but unlimited video. Billed annually. You got your basic video. You got to watch out for the individual license included. Yeah, so you don't want that one. You want the So you want the license where you can use it and sell it, guys. Right. So you'll have to look up on it if you wanted to go down through this. But what I'm going to show you now is I'm going to show you how you can get Vidnami for even cheaper, guys. You've got a 14-day trial if you click the link in the description. But I've also got an offer for you guys. Let me just find it. Just copy and paste this, guys. So yeah, guys, if you click the link in the description, I will put both of them in there. There's one what you can get a 14-day trial, and then you've got this one what you got 25% off for life, guys. Yeah. So usually it's £47 per month if you want to go down there, get the free trial, and then start paying it every month. Or you get this 25% off, and you get it for $35 a month. Yeah. So you're saving $144 per year for life, guys. But like I said to you, this is what you get this as well, guys. So you're not only do you get 25% off Vidnami for life, you also get Storyblocks video clip library and Storyblocks music library tracks built in. So you get this, you're saving 468 and 180 a year. So you don't have to go over to Storyblocks and subscribe. You get it automatically included with Vidnami. And that's what's awesome, guys. But you also get these this ultimate video graphic blueprint pack, 21 ways to find clients, 5-minute Facebook ads, convert your phone into a pro video, and then the ultimate YouTube SEO cheat sheet, guys. So it helps you with all sorts, guys, and it's so easy to make. So let's go back here. Now, this is the video, yeah? So you say, okay, looks good, yeah? So once you do that, you can choose your music here, yeah? Right? Once you're happy with it, you click that, and then you'll download it. But what I'm going to show you now, this is how easy it is. Once you've downloaded it, yeah, you can just come back up to here, yeah. Choose, let's choose the vertical. Choose which one you want. So we'll click this one because we used the yellow one, yeah. And then edit scenes. Keep all the script as it is because you've already done the scene. And look, it's already done it for you guys. So you just download this. It's converted it into a TikTok video, yeah. You download this, upload it to your TikTok, yeah, like this, and that's how easy it is, guys. And all you do then on your TikTok is you put your link there for this toy, yeah. Or if you're going to upload loads of different videos of different toys, then you just, I don't know, upload them to your Facebook or something, put your Facebook page there, and then when they click on that, they'll find all these toys. If you've got a website, put your website there. If you've got an Instagram, you can upload these same videos to Instagram, yeah, as well as TikTok, and link it back to the product. That's how easy it is, guys, yeah. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment below if you're going to start it, or if you want any more different videos. I'm here to help, guys. I'm only on a small channel, but I'm here to help either way. So that's being said, I'm Jay Roberts. This is Make Money with Video. Hope you liked it. Until next time, guys, goodbye.